for a sunny day. Hey, 'cause after the rainfall comes the sunshine. After the night, morning must come. There may be so much sorrow through the long night, but the morning comes with joy. It may look like I've lost it all, but yet I know a better days ahead of me. It may look like a whole...
Shoma, why are you overboarding yourself? Tina, I am just thinking of my next step. Because it's obvious I cannot continue with my studies. Have you called your brother to tell him what is happening? Why? Why didn't you call him? Or you don't have airtime, you can use my phone.
I have airtime.
I'm sure I'll call you. Please do.
The number you are trying to call is currently switched off. Please try again later. Thank you.
Switched off. Could be network. Just try again.
The NPN number you are trying to call is currently switched off. Please try again later.
Okay, no problem. So make sure you call him first thing tomorrow morning. Yes, let's go inside. Need to sleep. Hmm? Let's go.
You mean my own Cheta attempted to rape Chief's daughter?
That is what they said. I want Cheta. I want him seriously. To stay off that girl, he never took my advice serious.
Wait. So, what are you insinuating? That Cheta is in police station now.
This is 5 days. This is good 5 days he has been there. Even this morning, I overheard Chief saying that he has charged him to court.
This is unbelievable. And I'm sure his people are not aware of this.
That is why I sent for you. That's why I sent for you. Despite you, nobody is going to lend information to them. So you have to. Please, please, relay the information to his people so that they can come and beg Chief.
But why did they take him out of this town? Is there no other police station in this town?
That I don't know. Ugo, this is the reason I sent for you. So you can help me relay this information to his people. At least they can come and beg Chief. If not, Cheta will die there.
Nothing will happen to my friend.
Please, just do as I said.
This is unbelievable. My friend Cheta.
Rape. Mbam.
It's not possible. How are you?
I'm fine, Ugo. It's been a long time. Where have you been?
As you can see, I do. Actually, I came to see your parents. Are they in?
Yes. Please come inside.
Alright. Good day, ma.
Who opened the gate for this man?
Mommy, don't you know him? His name is Ugo, Cheta's friend.
I just asked him a question. Who let you into this compound?
Actually, ma.
Will you shut up? Leave my compound now. Did you not tell him that they are no longer here? Let me not ever see you here again.
Why did you chase him out? We don't even know why he's here.
I don't even want to know. And come here, come. Sometimes you cannot predict who the enemy or where the enemy comes from.
Where could she be? I've searched every nooks and crannies of this city, yet she is nowhere to be found. Oh.
Where's the star that gives me joy? Where's the cloud that gives me rain? Where is the sun that brights my day? Where is my moon?
Dad.
It was my action that forced her out of this house. I would have gone to the place where Cheta lives, but I don't know there.
Dad? Hope you're alright. Okay. There is something I want to tell you.
What is your problem? I told you I don't have money. Leave me alone. Leave me alone, this boy.
Dad! Imagine this old man. He doesn't even know what I want to tell him. What? I wait for my mom. Wait. You must give me that money. You must give me that money. You must give me that money.
Tina. I have a feeling that something is not right with my brother. His phone has been off for the past 7 days. I'm worried. It's unusual.
Chama, your brother is alright. It could be he lost his phone or something.
No. I've been having this terrible dream about him recently. That's why I'm sounding this way.
Okay, fine. Why not pay him a visit?
I think that's what I will do. I'll go there tomorrow. I have to go there. Because Tina, there's this fear in me that something bad has happened to my brother. I had these same feelings the day my father was kidnapped.
Tell the devil he is a liar. Choma, tell the devil he is a liar.
Amen.
Nothing will happen to your brother.
Amen. Amen.
Don't worry, I'll go there with you tomorrow.
Oh, please don't let anything happen to my brother. He is the only one I have in this world. He's the only one I have.
Nothing will happen to him.
Nothing should happen to him.
Nothing will happen to him.
Nothing should happen to him.
You worry too much. Nothing will happen to him.
I have not caught your mother. She is going to kill me.
It's a surprise. My roommate in school. I know she's calling because she's not heard from me in a while. Let me take her call. Hello, Wendy.
Chummy, you forgot about me.
No, I didn't forget you. I'm sorry I've not called you in a while.
It's okay. So how is life treating you?
Everything is fine. What about you? How are you?
Oh my goodness, I'm cool as usual. So how is your brother?
My brother is fine. Wendy, can I call back later, please? I'm busy now.
Call me back, oh.
Yes.
Sure.
Here again.
I can't see my brother Cheta.
Don't you know where you go see Cheta? See, no, don't come here again to look for Cheta. If my uncle come here and see you, if my uncle come here and see you, ha! I can ask again easy. I can ask again easy. You get real if my uncle come here and see you. You go chop your eye.
Bros, I dey talk of my brother Cheta who they live for here.
Auntie, you know where to see Cheta. Go there. Back to my duty post.
Bros, I beg, please. Okay, if he's not here, where can I find him?
Go! Cheta no there yet. See, if my uncle come here and see you, ha! Hey, Gugu, be careful. Now, express you they go. Hey, Gugu, be careful. Now, express you they go. They go.
Bros, please, where can I find?
Go!
Please, I'm looking. Help me! Bros, please help me. Where can I find?
Chuma, I don't understand. This is not the place.
This is the place, so I don't know what is going on. Bros, please, where is he? Where can I find him?
Open the gate now, please.
Please!
No break down this gate, oh. They go!
I beg, where in there? Where did he find him?
See, Bros, open the door for us, please. Open the gate.
Do you remember that his friend who used to visit him here?
There were one they call Ugo.
That's it.
He came here, but I drove him away.
I think that was the day he came to tell us about what happened to Cheta. So I met him by the roadside today. Imagine, he started telling me the entire story, as though I care.
So Cheta is in the police net for raping his master's daughter. Why am I not surprised? Hey. Have you told your father about this?
No.
Does Angela know?
Not yet. Oh, can you imagine that? The day I came to inform him about all these things, he started acting up, shouting on me. Mom, he walked out on me. So I decided to let him be.
Still let him be. Do not tell him. Don't even tell Angela, because if you tell Angela, Angela will tell him. And he will start running around looking for a way to bail him. Don't tell any of them.
Mommy, I promise. This is between the both of us. Nobody is going to know about it, including Angela.
Better.
Top secret.
He will rot and die there.
Evil boy. Or man, which one?
Chuma, what do we do now? Teenage is getting late.
Tina, I am not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere until I see my brother. Until I know his whereabouts. See, I'm sorry to inconvenience you, Don't worry, you can go. I'll come back later.
What are you trying to say? You know it's not possible. I can't leave you here. I can't.
Chuma, you can go. I'll come back later. Don't worry.
Please.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Who are you?
Sir, it's me, Cheta's sister. I was here the last time, remember?
Cheta's sister?
Yes, sir.
So what do you want?
Sir, I came to see my brother, but your gate man won't let me go in.
You came to see your brother?
Yes, sir.
Didn't he tell you that your brother is not at home? In fact, your brother attempted to rape my daughter.
Yeah?
Yes. As we speak, he's in police custody. As a matter of fact, he will be charged to court very soon. So if you love yourselves, you better beat it before I charge you as accessories to the crime.
Sir!
I'm asking God, why do you take my father away? I'm asking God, why do you take my mother away? I'm asking you, why do you choose for me to cry? I'm asking you, why do you turn your back on me?
Protect me now! Close my brother, they talk about I'm asking God, why do you take my father away? I'm asking God, why do you take my mother away? I'm asking you, why do you choose for me to cry? I'm asking you, why do you turn your back on me? Nenu
She slept off without taking her dinner. Mama, I am worried. I'm worried. The burden is too much for Chioma. Mama, did you know that we went to 3 good police stations yesterday, but her brother was nowhere to be found?
But how could he rape his master's daughter? Is that madness or what? Or Allah?
That is what I don't understand though. Well, Mama, I've always known Cheta as a very responsible person.
Okay, look at what he has done to himself. Imagine.
Temptation. This is the handwork of the devil, Mama.
Huh?
Yes.
Devil. Temptation. Is there anybody that commits any offense, they will call devil? They will blame devil. Devil here, devil there. Eh? Okay, Kamjogi. Is it the devil that sent him to go and rape that innocent girl? Eh? Devil. Anyway, that's the kind of family he came out from.
Mama, no. They have a very good family upbringing. I'm very...
Papuchiono. You keep saying what you don't know. From now onwards, listen and listen attentively. I will keep an eye on Chioma. If I see her involved in any kind of misbehavior, she will leave my house immediately. I may check today one thing to Yogi. I'm top outside. Can we go now?
Mama.
Why am I even here? Now Tajari on with you.
I'm asking God, why do you take my father away? I'm asking God, why do you...
Chioma, you did not eat last night. And this morning again you don't want to eat. Chioma, do you want to kill yourself? Come, let's go inside so you can have your breakfast. Chioma, I am talking to you.
I'm not hungry.
You're not hungry. Force yourself. Yes, force yourself. See, I'm not going anywhere with you unless you have your breakfast.
Okay. I'll eat. But not now. I'm not hungry. I can't eat anything now. I'm not hungry.
It's okay. It's okay, just try. Stop crying.
Oh, God.
Stop crying. Come, let's go inside, please. Please, my dear, come.
Tina, just leave me. Leave me.
You know I can't leave you. Please, help yourself. Let's go inside, please.
I'm fine here. I'm okay here.
You're not. You can't be okay here. It's not possible. I can't leave you. Let's go. You need to eat, please. Just get up. You need to eat so you can have strength. Please.
I'm asking God, why do you take my father away? I'm asking God, why do you take my mother away? I'm asking you, why do you choose for me to cry? I'm asking you, why do you turn your back on me? Nenu afufu emo gakoronye ijuwa.
Thank you, Luchy. Tell your uncle what's going on.
Tina, I vowed never to step my feet in that house again. I won't go there.
You know how much we spent going from one conversation to the other yesterday?
How am I going to explain to them that my brother raped his master's daughter? They will mock me. Let me just bear this shame alone. Look, the only thing is for me to go and locate the police command where my brother is detained. That's all.
I still insist you let your uncle know what is happening. People will blame you for not telling him.
See, your suggestion is good. But I equally need to hear from my brother to know exactly what happened. Eh? Don't worry, let's go. I'll withdraw the little money I have in my account. I'm sure it will save us for every expenses we need. Let's go.
It's okay. I'll drop the key with my mom at his office.
Young man, what do you have there?
Food, sir.
Test it. You only have 5 minutes to discuss with him.
Alright.
Well, thanks for the food.
You're welcome.
Well, it's like we are not able to relate with my uncle about my stay here because I've not seen any of them, even my sister.
I met Chidi on the road after the day your auntie walked me out of their house. I told him everything. He promised to pass the message to their father. And as for your sister, she's no longer staying with them.
Why? Is it that she has gone back to school?
No. He said he ran out of the house to a unknown destination.
Choma ran out of the house?
Yes.
Why?
That he did not tell me.
No, that is not possible. My sister cannot do such a thing. Maybe she was under pressure.
Yes.
Ugo, please, I'm going to give you her number. Okay. I want you to help me call her, find out where she is.
Alright.
Please. Where's the phone? Let me call her. What? 080.
Everything, be fast. I'm asking God, why do you take my father away? I'm asking God, why do you take my mother away? I'm asking you, why do you choose for me to cry? I'm asking you, why do you turn your back on me? Nenu afufu emuamu ngakoronye ijuamu Nenu gini kangamazio ngakoronye akukuamu yeah, Ijua, yeah, Ijua, Ijua, yeah, Ijua. Sometimes you cannot predict who the enemy. I am sorry I couldn't make it to court yesterday. I got emergency call from the village, so I had to travel to the village yesterday with my father.
But there's no problem. They adjourned the case till next month for the final judgment.
Did you finally get my sister on the phone? No. Her line has been switched off. Line has been switched off? I think something is wrong somewhere. Hugo, please, I need to find out what is going on with my sister. Please, you have to go back to my uncle's house and find out why she left the house.
No. I can't go there. You know what your auntie did to me the last time I went there.
No, please, you have to do this for me. This is my sister we're talking about. I need to know what is going on with her. Please.
Alright, I've heard you. I will still call her today. If I couldn't reach her on phone, I will have no option than to go there.
Please do that for me. Once you hear that, please call her.
I'm asking God, why do you take my father away? I'm asking God, why do you take my mother away? I'm asking you, why do you choose for me to cry? I'm asking you, why do you turn your back on me? Nenu afufu emuamu ngakoronye ijuamu nenu gini kangamazio ngakoronye akuku.
Up till now, I have not discovered my brother's whereabouts. Please, let your will be done in his life, God. Keep him safe wherever he is.
Sometimes you cannot breathe who the enemy is, or where the enemy comes from. It is evil. Sometimes you cannot breathe who the enemy is, or where the enemy comes from. Where's the star that gives me joy? Where's the cloud that gives me rain? Where is the sun that brights my day? Where is my moon for the night? All that gives joy to my soul, I can't believe it's gone in a flash, and I'm left to be under pressure. Every night I cry, who's gonna speak for me? Every day I wish this is a dream. At least I will wake up again, back to my life, where my
Please, which police station they taking? Please, help me. I no know anything. As you see me now, now only these gates. Now it be my best position. See, man, just tell you now. If Oga see you here, nobody stop what they talk now. Oga get change here. So, Naba,
please help me. I beg you.
What do you want make I do? Nothing concern me. The only thing we concern me now this gate and game where they play.
Ugo?
No, two of them they go.
Where have you been? Cheta has been worried about you.
gone looking for Cheta. He said they took him to police station. I don't know where they took him to. Okay, I'll beg you.
Nothing
Are you mad? I've been calling you since I didn't know.
Madam,
Are you crazy?
You know him?
Shoma, Wendy. Oh my God! What are you doing here? Wendy, I'm looking for my brother. I'm looking for
your brother?
Cheta, yes.
Where is he?
I don't know. They said the owner of this house arrested my brother. I'm looking for him. You know where they took him to? Do you know? Yes. His name is Cheta. I'm looking for him. You know where they took him to? Why did you know what they took him to?
Calm down. What is the problem?
I got a call now that mom and dad had a ghastly motor accident.
What? Wait. Calm down. Mom and dad in an accident. How? Where are they now?
They've been rushed to Spring Hospital. The caller said I should come immediately.
Then we should leave right now. Let's go.
Are you serious?
Cheta told me everything that happened. Tina, you will not believe that someone I call my friend, my roommate, someone I think has a sister, is the same person that is putting my brother through all this. She lied against my brother.
Hey, that's very bad of her. But why would she do such a thing?
I don't know. No wonder she had this guilt on her face the moment she realized Cheta is my brother. Wendy, why? Do you know, after my brother narrated the whole thing to me, I felt like going to their house and strangling her to death.
Don't worry, it won't get to that. I think someone is at the gate. Let me go and check. Wait. Wendy, it will not be well with you. You will not go scot-free. No problem. I am coming to your house tomorrow. I will come and confront you. I don't care whatever happens. I will come. Ugo, welcome.
How are you?
Ugo, what is it? You don't look okay. Is there any problem?
I met your cousin, Chedi, on my way home from the police station. He told me their parents are dead.
What? No. That's not possible. You've got to be kidding, right?
I'm serious. They had a fatal accident.
Oh my God!
Both of them died at the spot.
Hey!
Before they could rush them to the hospital.
Hey! It's a lie! When did this happen?
This afternoon.
Hey! This is a lie! My auntie is dead!
And he said he would like to see you. He wants to reconcile with you.
Hey! My uncle is dead! My sister! Hey!
Choma, calm down. Choma, calm down.
No!
Choma,
Choma, calm down. Choma, it's okay. Choma, calm down.
need you.
Assistant, my boy is on his cell. My brother is in cell. Assistant, oh God, what is all this?
Don't kill yourself.
I'm asking God,
Hey!
do you
Dad, Mom, Cheta is innocent. I'm sorry.
Wendy, are you trying to tell us that you framed that young man up?
Mom, he's innocent. He didn't do it.
What are you trying to tell us here?
I framed him up because he refused to be my lover. I just wanted to show him teach him a lesson. I just wanted to teach him a lesson.
What are you saying? You are the same person who convinced us that this man almost raped you. And now here you are trying to convince us again that you framed him up. Are you out of your senses?
Daddy, he didn't do it.
Wendy, have you forgotten that this matter is already in court?
Mom, I know. That's the reason I want you to please talk to Dad. So he can use his influence and get him out of there. He can't rot in jail.
Don't make me believe that you truly lost your senses, like your dad said.
He didn't do it. He is innocent. I mean, how could I put my best friend's brother in jail? How could I have known that the same person I framed up is my best friend's brother? The same person I speak always on the phone with. I won't forgive myself, please. I'm sorry.
Can you imagine this nonsense? Can you?
I'm so sorry.
Chuma, my good friend, please forgive me. Let me kill myself and put an end to this since my mom and dad don't want to listen to me. Let me just kill myself.
Darling. What is the problem?
Darling, our daughter would have been dead if not for the timely intervention of Ginika. She almost stabbed herself to death just because we did not believe what she said about Cheta being innocent.
What has come over this girl?
Darling, we need to do something fast. Please, we need to do something. She's still threatening to kill herself if we don't free Cheta from the police net. Please, my husband, beg you. You can still withdraw the case from court, please. I don't want my daughter to kill herself, please. She's the only child I've got. She's all I've got. Please, my husband, I beg you. Please.
Let's go and see.
The heart of man is evil. Sometimes you cannot predict who the enemy is or where the enemy comes. it is evil. Sometimes you cannot predict who the enemy is or where the enemy comes from. Where's the star that gives me joy? Where's the cloud that gives me rain? Where is the sun that brights my day? Where is my moon for the night? All that gave joy to my soul, I can't believe it's gone in a flash, and I'm left to be under pressure. Every night I
My friend, sit down there before I go. I said make you sit down.
Please,
sit down. Sit down there. I said sit down there, my friend. Sit down. I said make you sit down for here.
Where my joy knows no bound. Not back to
Cheta, I know this whole episode may have damaged your reputation, and you must be hot and very mad with us. I can understand how you feel, but I need you to forgive us because it was inadvertent. We didn't really mean to do it, just circumstances. So please forgive us.
Please. I beg you. Please forgive me. I didn't know what came over me. I'm so sorry. Please forgive me.
It's okay. It's okay.
Please.
I've forgiven you. From my heart. Come on, get up.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Thank you.
My dear, we're indeed very sorry about this whole thing. We're very sorry. Please forgive us. Please.
Okay, Cheta, I really don't know how to start making amends, but I will give you a little talking, right? To start with, I'm making you the general manager of my company.
Sami.
Wow, Daddy!
Yes. On top of that, I am giving you a well-furnished duplex. With a car to follow.
Hey.
Thank you very much, honey.
Sami. Yes, so that you can feel comfortable. You can manage my company very well. And with that comes with a car, which means you will have some running expenses.
Yeah.
So, being a complete man that I am, I want to complete the amends with the sum of 10 million.
Hey!
You know that. I know you. Anything for my deal. So let me write the check.
God bless you. Hey, it's real. It's real. Wendy, please help me thank your dad for me. Mama, thank you.
It's okay, my dear.
This is 10 million. Help me thank your dad. Thank you. God bless you. May God bless you, sir. May God bless you.
Mommy!
Oh my goodness.
I'll give my room. Chidi, please, I want you and Angela to put yourselves together. Meanwhile, we thank God for the successful wedding. I want you to put yourself together, especially you, Chidi, so you can be able to manage your father's property. Okay?
Cheta, thank you very much for all the help you rendered during our parents' funeral.
Angela, come on. You don't need to thank me. They're my parents also. Huh?
It's okay. What has happened has happened. I pray that God Almighty gives both of you the strength to bear this great loss. Everything will be fine. Alright?
Chidi. So,
I'm so sorry for the things I made you go through, all the insults. I just wish you would find a place in your heart to forgive me.
Oh, Chidi, come on, stop it. Come on, you don't have to do this, okay? All we need is to unite together and be one again. Live in peace, unity and harmony, okay? We've forgiven you already. Yes, we've forgiven you, come on. It's okay.
I'm sorry she doesn't listen.
It's good.
Thank you so much.
And you, baby.
That's fine, I told you.
Be careful, okay? Come on, let's go.
Take care of yourself, alright?
Hey. Matter the circumstances surrounding me, I will focus on my destiny. Even when my enemies are against me, my eyes still on the target. Never to lose hope for a better day. Never to lose hope for a sunny day. Never to lose hope for a better day. Never to lose hope for a sunny day. Cause after the rainfall comes the sunshine. After the night, morning must come. There may be so much sorrow through the long night, but the morning comes with joy. It may look like I've lost it all, but yet I know a better days ahead of me. It may look like a hope is gone and all is lost. I will focus on my destiny, even when my enemies are against me. My eyes still on the target, never to lose hope for a better day. Never to lose hope for a Saturday. Never to lose hope for a Saturday. Never to lose hope for a better day. I'll never lose hope for a Saturday.